Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Adriana. Now that students have returned to school, how about an afternoon snack that is super easy to make? Today, we're going to put a little twist on your average grilled cheese sandwich. On today's show, we will be making waffle tomato grilled cheese. This is a great snack for your kids after a full and fun day of learning at school. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 8 slices of white bread, 1 jar of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 stick of unsalted butter melted, 12 slices of your choice of cheese. I will be using a combination of cheddar, Gouda, and Swiss cheeses, cooking spray, and of course, a waffle iron. As always, adult supervision is required. All right, now let's begin. Have an adult preheat the waffle iron. Brush one side of each bread slice with the melted butter. Lay the bread out on a clean work surface with the dry side up. Top 4 bread slices with 2 to 3 sun-dried tomato pieces. Then top them with 3 slices of each cheese, and finally the remaining bread slices. Spray the waffle iron lightly with cooking spray. Place 2 of the sandwiches at a time in the waffle iron and gently close the lid. Don't press down. Cook until the cheese is melted and the sandwiches are golden brown, approximately 6 to 7 minutes. Carefully remove the sandwiches from the waffle iron and slice them in half. Repeat the process with the remaining sandwiches. And there you have it, folks, waffled tomato grilled cheese. Okay, let's take a bite. Thank you for joining me again on Cooking with Adriana. Make sure you continue to follow us on our city's YouTube channel for more cooking adventure. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Let's take another bite. Oh, it's so good.